Today we discuss about the steps for analyzing travel cost method. Step 1. The first step is to define a set of zones surrounding the site. This may be defined by concentric circles around the site or by geographic division that makes sense, such as metropolitan area or countries surrounding the site at different distances. That is the first step, to define a set of zones surrounding the site. Step 2. To collect information on the number of visitors from each zone and the number of visits made in the last year. Then third step is to calculate the visitation rate per thousand population in each zone. To calculate the visitation rates. Step 4. To calculate the average round trip travel distance and travel time to the site for each zone. Assume that people in zone 0 have 0 travel distance and time. Each other zone will have the increasing travel time and distance. Next, using average cost per mile and per hour of travel time, the researcher can calculate the travel cost per trip. Step 5 is to estimate using regression analysis the equation that relates visits per capita to travel cost and other important variables. From this, researcher can estimate the demand function for the average visitor. In this simple model, the analysis might include demographic variables such as age, income, gender, education level. Using the average value for each zone, then the researcher can estimate the demand function for the visitor. Then step 6, to construct the demand function for visit to the site using results of regression analysis. Construct a demand function. The final step is to estimate the total economic benefits of the site to visitors by calculating the consumer surplus. To estimate the total economic benefit of the site to visitor. For the purpose, we calculate the consumer surplus or the area under the demand curve. These are the 7 important steps to estimate the travel cost method.